Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Home with Chromecast Audio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Home with Chromecast Audio, ensure you have both devices ready. Plug the Chromecast Audio into a power outlet. Connect the Chromecast Audio to your speakers using an auxiliary cable. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want to use. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon to add a device. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Device to begin the setup process. Select the home you wish to add the device to. The app will search for new devices. Once your Chromecast Audio appears, select it from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. You will hear a sound from the Chromecast Audio to confirm the connection. After confirmation, continue by naming your Chromecast Audio. Choose a name that describes its location or purpose for easy identification. Once named, you will be prompted to link your music services. Follow the instructions to link services like Spotify, Google Play Music, or others. After setup, you can now use voice commands through Google Home to play music. Simply say, "Hey Google, play music on your device name." Enjoy streaming your favorite tunes with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.